Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you two amazing airdrops, two very big airdrops through which you can earn a lot of money for free. So the first airdrop will give you around $1,200 or more for free, and the second airdrop will also give you like $100 per day for free. So please don't miss these airdrops, and also I will share with you one update about one another airdrop, one old airdrop which can give you huge amount of money for free. So let's just move on to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. So if you didn't join our Telegram channel, then please join our Telegram channel for free. So please join our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder, if you didn't join yet, because I share all the best airdrops over here only. This is our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. I have provided the link of this channel in the description, so please join from there this channel. And our first airdrop, very important airdrop, it's a very big airdrop, that is PaxG airdrop. This token is already listed on Binance, and if it's real it can give you huge amount of money for free. So it's 100% free, so you don't need to pay anything. And so let's join our this airdrop. You can earn up to $1,200 for free. So just click on this link. So just click on this link and then just open this Telegram. It's a very simple airdrop, so just click on this start button, then you will be given something like this. Then just click on join airdrop. After you click on join airdrop, you need to join both these Telegram channel and group. Click on each of these and click on join button. I have already joined this. Then after you join join that Telegram channel, then you need to join the Telegram group. Click on this and click on join and go back, then click on done. After you click on done, you need to click on submit your details. After you do that, you need to enter your PaxG address from Binance or Trust Wallet. So I think you should give it from Binance. So if you don't have an account on Binance, then please make one account on Binance, as it's a very big exchange, and here you can sell every type of coin. Here you can sell, because most of the coins are supported here, which you can sell for US dollars or USDT. So after opening Binance, click on wallets, bottom right corner wallets, then click on this spot. After you click on spot, you just need to click on this search button and click and enter PaxG. After you enter PaxG, click on this PaxG Pax Gold, then click on deposit. After you click on deposit, you need to click on this copy button. After you copy this, go back to the Telegram bot and paste it and submit your PaxG address which you have just recently copied. After you paste, it will show you that you have successfully completed the Paxos Gold airdrop task. Now one step you need to invite at least 10 users to reach 1 PaxG. So you need to invite 10 users to reach 1 PaxG. Then you need to click on proceed. After you click on proceed, you will just show your balance. You can click on balance and then you will show your balance. Here I have airdrop balance as 0.5 PaxG, and when I click on referral, then it will show something like this. If you want to, you should refer, as it can give you huge earnings, as this coin value is very high. Let's just move on to our this PaxG, and you can see here that when I click on PaxG USDT, it's showing that $1,900. So value of one coin is $1,900, and if it's real, it can give you huge earnings. So after you scroll down, you can just share your referral link with your friends if you want more earnings, and then you can earn up to 2 PaxG tokens for free. So after you successfully joined the first airdrop, let's move on to our very important airdrop, which is this EXO2 Moon airdrop. This airdrop is really a very important airdrop, and I think it's a really very legit airdrop and big airdrop. So please don't miss this airdrop. You can claim here $1 in every 15 minutes you claim. So you can claim $1 in every 15 minutes, and this is our site. So for joining this airdrop, you need to copy this link, click and hold, and then click on copy. After you click on copy, you just need to open it on any browser. So I'm opening it on this browser. You can open it on any browser. After you open the browser, you just need to click on this search bar and then just paste this link and click on search. After you paste this link and submit and click on search, just wait for it to open. Just wait for it to open. So it's not opening in this browser. Let me check in another browser. So I'm opening it on any other browser, like I'm opening it on Kiwi browser. So let me just open it on any Kiwi browser. So I'm opening it on Kiwi browser. You can open it on any browser. Just paste this link and click on search. After you click on search, the link will be opened. Let's just wait for it to open. So friends, this site is opening and now it has opened. So for joining this, you just need to click on login. After you click on login, here you need to enter your BP20 wallet address, which is Binance Smart Chain address. So you need to enter your Binance Smart Chain address. So for that, you need to go to Trust Wallet. After go to Trust Wallet, click on Smart Chain, then click on copy. After you click on copy, you need to go back to the page, then paste over your address over here. Then click on this tick, I am not a robot. Click on this. So just verify it. By verify the captcha. Then click on verify. After you verify the captcha, then click on register or login. After you click on register, then just wait for it to open, load successfully. So after you have just logged in with this site, then you just need to click on this I am not a robot again for claiming. And after you click on I am not a robot, select the captcha, click on verify, and then click on claim now. After you click on claim now, it's showing congratulations, you have successfully acquired dollars. And for after this, you can just see that it's showing this timer. So you can claim every 5 minutes this $1 AXO tokens, and you can just claim this. So come every 15 minutes, and then you can claim after every 15 minutes $1 AXO tokens. So please don't miss this airdrop. That's a really very big airdrop that can make you earn huge. And if you want, you can also withdraw on that. And the listing of this token is on 15 June. It's showing like this. It will be open trade on PancakeSwap on 15 June. So please don't miss this airdrop. It's a really very big airdrop. It can make you earn huge. And so we have also joined this airdrop. So just remember that you need to claim every 15 minutes so that you can earn huge, and you can earn up to $100 or $96 daily from this airdrop. And you can earn $1 every 15 minutes. So please don't miss this airdrop as well. And the last update I want to share with you about an old airdrop, FindSwap airdrop. I hope you have joined this airdrop. So just scroll down, and this is the list of the winners. Just open this list and then search for your address which you just submitted for this airdrop bot. So if your address come in this list, then you can just seek that you will receive these airdrops rewards tomorrow. It means that you will receive these airdrop rewards today. So if you have successfully joined this airdrop before, then you just congratulations, you will receive your airdrop rewards today. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join my telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder, so that you won't miss any future airdrops, any best airdrops. And please don't miss to join this AXO 2 Moon airdrop. It's a really very big airdrop. And also join this PaxG airdrop. It's already listed on Binance. Thank you.